everybody, Beth here, Fine Age Finds. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in my channel. I have a fun haul for you today. A lot of it is like display 2D things, but I found something really cool the other day that I'm so excited to share with someone. I already posted on my Instagram, so if you follow me at Fine Age Finds, you have seen it, but just wait until I show you some up close details because like I said, I'm super excited. So I will go through everything, tell you what I paid, and then I'm not going to tell you what I think I'll get for it because I'm going to do a next video that will be coming up on Sunday where I take each of these items and go through the steps of research and how I price things. So I won't tell you right now because I haven't done the research and I'm not going to ballpark it. So if you want to tune into that video, that will be coming up on Sunday. So let's get started. I don't know how many things I have. I think probably 10. I don't know. Okay, the first thing is this picture frame. And it's got that kind of like knit pattern, cross stitch pattern that kind of screams winter. So I thought that was cool. It's in good shape. I got it for $1 at a yard sale. I'm gonna put that over there, I guess. Okay, next I got these two. Does it still say the price on them? Dusty. I think I got them for $1 for both, so 50 cents each. And they're these wooden plaques that are for your zodiac sign horoscope. This one has that sticker on there, which, you know, still talks about the zodiac sign, but I'm going to see if I can get that off there because I don't think it looks as nice. Oh, I did it. I was afraid to, but I did it. All right. So, yeah, so Taurus and Leo, and they're super light so they can go first class. So that's cool. Where am I going to put it? Over here. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to go over here. I don't know if I've shown these before. I don't think so, but I have 3 sweaters that I should have listed before Christmas, but you know, better late than never, and it's still cold everywhere, I think. So the first one is this. Is it this? Oh, it's this way. It's a turtleneck, and I just love the pattern. So as far as I can see, there aren't any stains. It says, it doesn't say what size it is, but I'll do measurements either way, whether I know the size or not. But it does have this tag, handmade in Norway. There we go. So that's super comfy and it's not the scratchy kind of feeling wool. So that's exciting. Okay, next over here. I have a lot of frames and stuff today for you. I got this at a barn sale for 50 cents and I got it for just the frame. I always remember to just look at the frames, even if I don't necessarily like whatever's framed. And I don't think anything special about this, but I love how the frame itself is floral. And I just think that it would look really nice. I have a second one here, and I think they just both happen to be floral. They don't have anything to do with each other. Let me just grab it. And again, I don't really care about what's in the middle. Unless it's a famous painting and worth a ton of money, please let me know below, but I don't think so. It looks like it's someone drew a portrait locally. Yeah, so this one's floral too. Oh, there we go. So I think I'm going to sell them as a set just because they're different colors as far as the flowers, but I don't know. I think that whoever would like one might like the other, and one's a little bit bigger. So yeah, I think that that'll do well. Part of that little like shabby chic, grandma chic movement. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out where to put all this stuff. Okay, here's the next sweater, and I should have gotten this listed because it's a J. Crew hand knit men's sweater. Oh well, it's a size large. It's 100% wool. This is what the tag looks like. And I've sold J. Crew hand knit things before, and you can get good money for them. I sold a woman's cardigan that like kind of had a hook in front, and it was just really pretty. but I think I can get even more for this because it's a nice hardy sweater. It's a nice big size. Of course, it'd be better if it was bigger, but I just think it's something that people can wear, or a man could wear even after Christmas, hopefully. So I'm excited to look those comps up. Okay. Um, this is from the same barn sale. I am not someone who's really into my horoscope or zodiac. I'm a Gemini and I'm a twin, so I mean that's pretty cool. But other than that, I did find this for 25 cents, and it's a framed, oh, I don't know, something about Scorpios. I didn't even read the whole thing, but it gets really into detail. So I thought this would be really cool for somebody that loves their Scorpio sign. Um, and you know, of course, I'll take pictures and then in the description I'll quote this so they know what it says. But whenever I see zodiac or horoscope things, I always get them because a lot of people really are into that, which is cool. Okay, two more things. No, three more things. So this I got at a yard sale. It was closing and they had a bunch of clothes out. They said that someone had just dropped off, saw that they were having a yard sale and just dropped off um, bags and bags of clothes. And they were closing. So my mother-in-law and I went to this citywide yard sale, and we got there late. And anyway, it's really hard to show you. It's a cardigan, and it says super chunky and warm. And it said, oh, hold on. Let's just, ooh. Okay, I'm back. Let me show you this tag now. Um, it says handmade in Ecuador and 100% cotton. And yeah, so it's just got that kind of Southwest color scheme and vibe. I just think it'd be great for a man or a woman. It does have buttons actually. Let's see, all the buttons are there. And yeah, so excited to do more research with that. Honestly, I haven't looked at it in 6 months and I thought it was wool, but cotton's cool too. Okay, this I got at that same barn sale. I guess I cleaned up at that barn sale. Oh. This is a Rosewood inlaid Mosaic, and it says $2. I think I got it for less, but it says Lucky Store Piazza Intish Mura, Sorrento. I didn't say any of that right, but you get the idea. So there's a whole bunch of these online, different scenes and stuff. I like how it gets the cityscape, but also some of the sea. And they go for all different kinds, different mounts. So I think I'm going to price this. Well, I'm not going to tell you because we'll do research. So if you want to know, you got to watch that video. Okay. So the last thing I found, I went, this was such, I don't know, it was a crazy day. So we live like an hour and a half from, um, or yeah, an hour and a half from Walmart, and any big grocery store is about an hour away. I just discovered grocery pickup with Walmart. There's only one near me that does it, and yeah, it's about an hour and 15, hour and a half away. So I do all my shopping and set it to pick up, and then I drive and just pick it up instead of having to take my kids out of the car. Because usually by the time we get there, they're sleeping, and it's just a long day for them to drive there, walk around the store, and then drive back. So that's been awesome. And I had to go there for someone else, or something else too. Anyway, we got there a little bit early, so I dragged them into this uh, secondhand store, and my oldest son Finn he just loved everything that he saw. He wanted everything. Um, and then I was holding my 1-year-old, um, who's like 30 pounds the entire time, and my arm went numb. But it was all worth it because I found this, and I got it for $10. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I was interested in it. And is it my style? Like, would I have this in my home? No. But you have to appreciate the time and effort somebody put into this. I mean, look at this 3D cross-stitch American Eagle. And then it's got some really nice details where, look at the feet. I mean, come on the log, and it's on a plaque. I got it for $10, which I never pay that much for anything, but I really think that I'll get my money back plus quite a bit. I think that someone's going to love this. I think it'll last a long time and sell after a while. Yes, I don't know if it just has to, one of those things that has to wait for the right buyer. But I mean, look at that wingspan. It's going to be tough to ship. It's pretty heavy too, but super cool. And I can't find anything like it online as far as just any information, and not even price, but just somewhere to start. So again, if you want to see how I find things out like that and help research, find out more information about especially that eagle, then definitely check out my video on Sunday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you liked any of these items, let me know. What was your favorite? So I think my favorite, I love the eagle. But I'm not going to be predictable. I think I love this sweater. Oh, I think I love this sweater. So, okay. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.